Alright guys, same process. We're going to work on the clutch side now. Okay. The oil pump is installed. The oil pump acts as a stop. We got 2-stroke oil on the outside race of the bearing. We have a 24mm socket ready to help bump this in place if we need to. O24 Super, O26, MS260. See what we got. We are going to bump it and kill the torch. Same little light hammer. We're there. Okay. And if we're not, we're going to use the puller and pull them together. So there we are. Oil pump is installed, and a word about this oil pump, and we'll get into this more in depth. A lot of people talk about STIHL not using a metal oil pump drive gear. This is a metal oil pump drive gear. And this is the O24 Super. 026, very early model. They sometimes refer to it as the farmer model. I assure you it is very much STIHL. There's magnet. That's the oil pump drive gear, ladies and gentlemen. And STIHL has done other models like this as well. So we're going to have to let this cool down because I've got to install a gasket and all like that. So we'll let this cool down and I'll bring you back and we'll put her together.